So this problem is talking about that a ball is being kicked, and we know that the path of the ball is in a parabola because this is a quadratic equation. And since it's negative, we know the ball's going up and then it's going to go down. So our parabola is going to go down. And it's asking us, when will the height be 30? So we want to know, when will it be 30 feet from the ground? So since h is our feet, our height, we want to know when h is 30. So we're going to plug in a 30 here. And then we need to solve the equation. So we have 5 different methods that we've learned to do that. We can graph, we can complete the square, we can use a quadratic formula, we could try factoring, lots of things to try. For this video's purpose, I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So for the quadratic formula, we need to identify our a value, our b value, and our c value. And then we're going to go ahead and plug it into our formula. Okay, so we plug our numbers into the formula, and when we simplify it, we get to this part here. So if we read back the original problem, it says in the directions to, it doesn't say to round or anything like that. So that means I'm going to go ahead and simplify this radical. So if we put in our calculator the square root of 1600, or we think about it, that 40 times 40 is 1600, we're going to go ahead and simplify it. Okay, so we simplify it, and now we're going to put this in our calculator here. And when we do negative 56 plus 40 divided by negative 32, and then we're going to do negative 56 minus 40 divided by negative 32, we'll get that our x value is 0.5, and x equals 3. So that means that it will reach 30 feet here, and then when it comes back down, it's going to be 30 feet again. So that's why we have 2 answers here, because in 2 points in time, it's going to have a height of 30. So it says, use a complete sentence, interpret your answer. So the height of the ball will be 30 feet after half of a second, so 0.5 second, and 3 seconds.